The following message is transmitted at the request of the Metropolitan Police. At 8 a.m. Greenwich time, reports came into police of an unknown creature reported to roam the Greater London area. A description of the creature is as follows: tall, wearing a dark suit, has no facial features and has large tentacles protruding from its back. It is unknown if this creature is hostile or not. All residents in the Greater London area are advised to stay in your homes. Lock all doors and windows. Bring children and pets inside of your home for their safety. Stay tuned to BBC One for more updates regarding this event. Emergency update. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Metropolitan Police. The event regarding the unknown creature an hour ago has escalated. The creature has now been reported to be hostile to anything it sees in its path. At 8:30 a.m. Greenwich time it has killed 16 people in the Greater London area. In addition, the creature has been identified by police. The creature is reported to be the popular creepypasta Slenderman. All residents of the Greater London area are advised to shelter in place. Lock all doors and windows. Bring children and pets inside your home. Don't approach Slenderman as he's considered very dangerous. Stay tuned to BBC One for more updates on this developing situation. This is an child abduction alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Metropolitan Police. A child abduction warning is in effect for all of London. At 9:30 a.m. Greenwich time, a child named Thomas Frank was abducted from his home by Slenderman. When police came to the scene, they found his parents' bodies mutilated and a note was left on the bodies that said, "This will not stop and you and your families will be butchered like pigs." All residents should continue the shelter in place and bringing your children and pets to safety. But barricade yourself house with strong furniture to prevent the Slenderman from entering your house. Stay tuned to BBC One for more updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Metropolitan Police. At 11:30 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, Slenderman has abducted more children in the Greater London area. He's taking the children to Hyde Park. It is unknown if the children are dead or alive, but all residents are advised to continue the previous instructions. Don't approach Slenderman as he's considered armed and dangerous and will kill you on sight. Stay tuned to BBC One for more updates on this developing situation. An administrative message from the Metropolitan Police. At 12 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, Slenderman was killed by a police squad. The threat to the City of London is over. However, all of Slenderman's victims have been found dead with their bodies mutilated. The Metropolitan Police thank you for your cooperation. We now return to regular programming.